Fee. Faith, may you tell me which part of the hospital? Which part of the hospital there? Which part of the hospital there? She in a chat same way? She can't tell me which part of the hospital is. Can you drive? I could have carried me over there. Check your pressure. I really need to check my goddamn pressure, no joke. Hospital of Christiana. You got this, Annie. You look worried. Wait, what do you think? What do you think? This is not you, but we love you. Guys, this is just something where I don't even know what to start. Some of the time, yes, I'm willing to sacrifice and do everything with me to do to make my relationship work. I'm not gonna make nobody out there tell me what to do. I tell you the truth, because when a person don't talk, you know, them have feed them man where them go to or go cry to them pillar, lie down on them pillar. You get what I say? Me know enough time girl out of road life miserable. Yeah, and then I want to see nobody else happy. I know people stay. But the thing is this with me, I will sacrifice and do everything for when it come on to my relationship. I love a person. I do love a person. I see a lot of changes are happening. Of course, I see a whole heap of changes are going on right now because I don't know because, oh God, Father God help me. I don't know how that changes are just come because I remember say me and him did depend on me that, you know, cuss each other, whatever now. I think now I'm even ready for a movie like you want to settle down. Literally him saying want to settle down. So may I say, how could somebody would have been so wicked? Like, what would I do yourself? You hunt me down. Do all of this and next turn back around and hurt me. You get me fade downtown and it did nothing make it nothing. Oh, because of early pregnancy. Because of early pregnancy, baby. Yeah, that's with some. And with all I baby, then we're pregnant with, I'm gonna make it happen to you. But some of my pregnancy, I saw it go. May I go see if I can drop by and come check in upon you here? You can say something. What do you mean by money? So if you say both of we have to take care of each other in a relationship, you think relationship could go one way? Talk it true. No, you really think relationship could go one way? And no, because him saying he want married and settle down, right? That's so now everybody don't mind it. I feel good about getting married, of course, but me not go. I'm not say a joke. Because it seems to me as a joke, but I take marriage serious, you get me? But while the person make a big step like this and therefore everybody I say a use or a prank or a style or this or that for the views, like somebody could have been so crazy. That would have been really crazy, honestly. I don't have no moderator. I don't have no mother. I have to go sub my chat. I have to go sub my chat. If I believe him, girl, of course I believe him. Of course I believe him because I know so him did stay first time when me and him talk. This time is more different. Alright, the first time when me and him talk, to me, him just go off of certain things. No, him more. Honestly, he might be himself now. To me, I see him differently. He might be himself. Literally, me can see him might be himself right now. Like, him even know me more. Because remember when me and him this attack, we never know each other. We just go out on a date or whatever. Right? But now is much different. Like, you know? And you know it bad, I can't really open. I can't open my chat. And I'm supposed to can't open my chat because I have a big team. Like I have a big team, blue team. I have a big team right here. So I'm supposed to can't open my chat and relax and talk on my phone and comfortable doing it. Bro, like this. As when I'm saying got my back because a whole heap of changes, whole heap of people begs with me. Whole heap of people begs with me. But I'm just willing to sacrifice that because I say if people love you, them try to do it for you. You understand what I say? If them love you for real, you get me? So a whole heap of changes they come with them. They come with a lot of changes and yeah, I go feel away, I'm a human being, I'm not going to pretend. Remember say people don't like me on the app, you know. So this just make them come off of me more. You get me? No matter what. That is it, Nikki. Remember, some of the this, you know, and people don't like me, you know. Good morning, baby. Trendy want me. So, for me, go take him back now. You understand what I say? No, all of them know I go use this and come off of me. You understand what I say? Remember, say social media, everybody they also fight against each other, you know. Watch how each other get gift and what go on, you know. You get what I say? So it going to bring changes. But me willing for change, like me willing for go through it. Like mother go through it with him. But me I go tell you this straight. If he ramp with me kill him blood clots. I swear to God, anyway me dem hunt him and kill him. God forgive me. If me sacrifice so much and him take himself and come here, so and so we start something. Of course we could have the upper yard. We could have the upper the house, girl. We want privacy. You know easy. You don't think we want privacy? A big pitney them they up there so people are chat be foolish about Airbnb. Him have him little money when him spending money. You understand what I say? We are not idiot. The two we have we bills them for pay. But we want private time and private moment and space so we can scream out and go on here. Yeah? So we go on like we're not a human being, it's not easy. That my hate with uno people. You understand? Uno fake. I hate people who fake and not be themselves. I am here. I'm here for you. Alright, just be wise. I know. Seriously, don't think me no know. Me know, sis. Alright? I really appreciate you. Swear to God, Nikki. I really appreciate you a lot. Just be, that's it, baby. And that is what me I do. Right? Because me still ask questions, you know. I don't like me not ask questions. I ask questions, I'm ask him question too. You get me? And we must take some time and sit down and reason more than we dip on the media. We just say, alright, then we now come live, make we just sit down and talk and we just talk to each other. Yeah, understand me? Just answer your call. Alright, no problem. No problem, baby. No problem. So as what me say, me I go through a fight. And the fight when me I go through, no problem. Yeah, me see it. I don't have a problem. I'm willing to sacrifice if a person sacrifices me. Who's that person here? I'm not going to take up a person on my page if you don't have an a DP, so don't feel like you're going to send that to me. He got his plan. As me turn on that first thing. Yeah, remember to do your nails. Yeah, baby. Just want you to focus on your house, and that is what I'm doing. Yeah, alright, baby, no problem, thank you. But that me I do, may I focus for my house. And he send me a money gun. Yeah, you say me I walk and build blood clot. Look here, you say me I walk and build money gun. Don't make a route to you. Go on here. Where you go beg somebody else? Thompson, want me, baby? Thank you, baby. Bo. Like you walk and look money gun.